Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to pin a product to a live stream. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is click on your profile, or well, not your profile, the plus screen on the bottom, and then it'll open up the create tab, and then go over to your live. And then from here, you'll see a couple of different things that you could do, but there should be a business tab if you are a monetized creator. And then just go ahead and press business. And then from here, you can go ahead and add a product. And then when you press add product, if you have any products available to add, they should go ahead and pop up shortly like so. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.